Baka hatiin mo pa sa pang
Dessert gelatin.
Walang lunch.
Vegetable salad.
Sabi
Corn.
ni Tito lang daw ang lunch.
Pineapple, cucumber, carrot, cheese,
Sobrang bili mo ito sa sushi. Ang dami
lettuce,
mo bili.
and lettuce.
Sarap eh, no?
The leaves. The mayonnaise. The chicken.
Daming ka.
Light cheese with gelatin. Spaghetti sauce. Fruit. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Ano to? Celery?
Sushi.
Oh.
And more sushi.
Daming kamay.
And ham from Quezon. And my grandmother mommy is putting mayonnaise on her
From salad.
self-made salad. Self-made din, no?
Kamay.
Ay,
Yan.
dami.